is another episode of the journey of becoming a TEDx speaker. So here we are looking the screen which says organizer responsibilities. I'm just looking all into the details about TEDx talks, and so if you are the person, you have if you belong to any university or a college, or if you have any private community, so that if you want to organize a TED-like talks, then you can get license from TED. So as an organizer, these are the responsibilities that they should have. Being a TEDx organizer, as we see in the previous videos, we spoke about what is TED and a TEDx talk. So TED is an official talk, and TEDx is a local community talks, but they replicate the same experience. They give the same experience of TED. So here, being a TEDx organizer can be an extraordinary experience. Yes, it is obviously an extraordinary experience. And also, if you want to volunteer for TEDx speeches, then you can go and ask for a volunteer opportunity. How you can apply for that? Contact Google is there any TEDx talks nearby my place? So Google it and find any of the universities and go and volunteer there. So you'll get a best experience organizing those talks. It's also a big commitment. Yes, obviously. Our job is to help you make sure that you are ready to make the TEDx leap. Yes. If you're thinking about becoming a TEDx organizer, yes. So here are the rules or the responsibilities that you need to review before organizing a TEDx speech. So create a TEDx-like experience. Yes, you need to create an environment or a room which look like a TED speech. So create a TED-like experience. Big ideas, rich storytelling, and multidisciplinary programs are just expected. So you need to be very particular and choosy who you are getting as a speaker. So, and follow the rules and guidelines. We get it. Rules can be pain. Yes, exactly. But there is a reason they are a part of TEDx program to make your job easier. The better you know the TEDx rules and guidelines throughout your TEDx journey, the less you'll have to deal with annoying details. Okay. Unearth local voices. As a TEDx organizer, you'll have the option to feature live talks at your event, bringing attention to undiscovered voices in your community. If you decide to include individual speakers, choose extraordinary people who have been heard and seen by few, but have a fresh approach in their field. Awesome. Okay, next story to tell. Yeah, so you need to keep this in mind. So put a new perspective to share. Produce great content. Whether you are playing a curated program of TED Talks or combined live talks, creating excited delight your audience. It's no news that making your audience happy. Okay, yes. The main purpose of this talk is you need to excite and delight your audience. Celebrate and protect the TEDx vision. Yes. So after getting the TED license, it's not easy. By licensing you as a TED organizer, we are vesting you a little piece of TED vision. Yes. That means it's your job to make sure that vision and mission of TEDx is protected and boldly celebrated. Yes, you need to obey these things. lead your team. A group of organized, impatient people can make one powerful, impassioned, okay, sorry, they just need the guidance and support to make it happen. Yes. So leaders need to be great, otherwise the team won't perform good. That's what I learned from one of the TED Talk of Simon Sinek. It's a top 3 TED Talk on TED.com. You should watch it. Start with why. Simon Sinek. Put in the work. Organizing a TEDx is a big endeavor, so make sure you have the time and dedication to do the hard work needed to create a great event. Yes. So before applying for TEDx license, for a TED license, go and check out all these responsibilities that you need to that as an organizer need to have. So check out these guys. Thank you.